Okay, hi there. My name is José Veiga, and I'm doing this video to show you what's wrong with the charger. Here he is, the charger. Here's the cable that came with it, the white one, and you'll be able to see if I plug it in the cable just somewhere there, and to some device that charges with micro USB, like this device, this listening device, this mic. It's just for it. Well, it does not. Well, it does not respond. You see, this little spot should be blue, charging, and it does not charge. But if I use another cable, not this one that came with the package, I use, for instance, that black one. Just okay, plug it in. I've plugged it in. Now I just have to plug to this thing here. Yeah, I'm using just one hand. Okay, there you go. Well, there you go. You can see, yeah, you can see now the light there. It's red. It means it's charging. It's doing something. Uh, so basically, this is it. The white one does not work. The one that came with the package. Okay, thank you.